morning, children. Dear third class children, good morning. Dear, today I am going to take the lesson number 1, the earth we live in. Had your breakfast, children? Third class children. Okay. So what is the first lesson? Our first lesson name is the earth we live on.
Next class లో ఇంకా మిగతా వాళ్ళకి రీడింగ్ చేపించి న్యూ లెసన్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే
The earth we live on. So here, what is that? In this lesson, we are going to learn about what is earth, what are the living things are living on the earth, what are the different types of animals, birds, insects and plants live on this wonderful planet. So here, earth is a wonderful planet. So here lesson number 1, what is the lesson number 1? The earth we live in. If you see this, what you are able to understand, children? Our earth is a beautiful planet. What ma? Earth एक अच्छा सुंदर planet है. So it is our home. What our earth is giving? It gives us food, water and air. This makes life possible on the earth. Millions of people, animals, birds, insects and plants live on this wonderful planet. Our earth is what, children? Our earth is wonderful planet. And now you have to know how much part of the earth is covered by land and how much of part is covered by water. Now let us see our division of the earth. The earth is divided into what? Land and water. What, children? The earth is divided into land and water. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. How much ma? Out of full 3/4 of earth is covered with water and 1/4 is covered by land. What are they telling, children? 3/4 is covered with water, isn't it? And 1/4 is covered with land. This we have to learn, isn't it, children? So here and 1/4 by land. If you see, children, this is our world map. Here 4th class children already are having idea in the 3rd standard what is India map, what is a world map. Just you go through this world map, children, which are the places are there, that you will be able to see with the help of this world map. Okay, here turn page number 2. If you turn this page number 2, what you are able to understand by this? Atmosphere. Atmosphere का मतलब क्या है? What is atmosphere? All living beings need to breathe. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This layer is known as atmosphere. What this is layer, children? This layer is known as atmosphere. Yeah, we are the living things. What we need? We need air. Air नहीं है तो अपन नहीं जी सकते. Without air, एयर का मतलब क्या है हिंदी में? हवा. हवा नहीं है तो अपन जी नहीं सकते, isn't it? So without air we are not able to survive on the earth. So surrounded by layer of air, this layer is known as what, children? This layer is known as atmosphere. If you see, children, this is the atmosphere picture. All the clouds in the sky. Where the clouds will be there? It will be in the sky. Okay, next coming to the shape of the earth. What is that, children? The shape of the earth. If we stand it in an open field or on the seashore and look, the earth appears to be a flat. अपन किधर तो भी ऊपर से करके देखें तो कैसा दिखाई देता? If you are standing on the upside, if you are seeing the earth, how earth is looking, children? It is appears to be flat, isn't it? In olden days, people fear to travel. पुराना ज़माने में people किधर तो भी जाने के लिए बहुत डर रहते थे. They used to fear if they want to if they want to travel far places. far बोलते दूर जगह जाने के लिए वो लोग बहुत डरते थे in the olden days. So they thought that if they want to far, they would fall off the edge of the earth. What the early people are thinking, if you will be traveling for so many kilometers far, they may be thinking that they may be falling from the earth. उसके ऊपर से गिर जाते हैं शायद. So that is a fear the early people are having. So in the year of 1519, what happened? Ferdinand Magellan, what is a Portuguese sailor, started a long voyage from Spain. किधर से उन्होंने शिप में सेलिंग करे? He started a long voyage. शिप में जा रहे ना, that is known as ship voyage. So where he started a long voyage from Spain, he kept sailing in same direction. He is sailing in the same direction. After 3 years of voyage, his ship reached the place where he started. Same place, किधर से ship start करे. Again after 3 years, he traveled in the same direction. Again he came back to the same place from where he started traveled. So he had really traveled around the earth. This long journey proved that earth is round. Here now one thing you have to understand from this lesson, children, why we are proving that the earth is round, because here Ferdinand Magellan is one of the person. He has went in the ship about how many years? 3 years he went in the same direction, isn't it? He went in the same direction. After 3 years, again from where he started, he came back to that place only. That is the reason we can prove that the earth is round. Now if you see, here is a person name, his name is what? Ferdinand Magellan. Next, if you see this picture, children, the astronauts who landed on the moon took the photographs of the earth. The astronauts, they are the people, they are landed on the moon. वो लोग किधर गए? They went into the space. Moon took the photographs of the earth from the outer space. From where they are taking the photos? They went into the outer layer of the moon and they started taking the moon took photographs of the earth from the outer space. From where they are taking the photos of the earth? From the outer space. These photographs show that earth is round like ball, because they are taking the photos from where? From the outer space of the moon. That is the reason this photograph show that the earth is looking like a ball. How the earth is looking for them? It is looking like a ball. Again, one more person, Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. Who is the first person name? You have to remember, children, 4th class you are in. So this is a new word, it seems. Neil Armstrong is one of the person to land on the moon. Moon में कौन गए first? Neil Armstrong in the year of 1969. So now this is about your word, children, about why the earth is, what is the shape of the earth, who went into the moon and who has taken the photos from the outer space of the photographs of the earth from the outer space, who has taken the photos from the outer space of the earth. And here Neil Armstrong is one of the person who landed on the moon first time in the year of 1969. Now we are going to read about actually what is the origin. What is the origin? Now we will see, children. The origin. Stand on the top of a high building and look around as far as possible. What they are telling? You go. We are having big buildings, so children. If you are having buildings, you go up and what you have to do? You have to go top of the high building and look around as possible. You have to look here, this direction, that direction. You look. It looks as though the sky touches the land at the far end. आपको कैसा दिखाई दे रहे? By seeing the here and there, whenever you are standing on the top of the building, it looks as though the sky touching the land. अपन ऊपर जाके खड़े तो कैसा दिखाई देता? We will feel that the sky may be touching the land. What you may feel if you are standing on top of the building, you feel that the sky may be touching the land. The place where the land and the sky appear to meet is called the origin. What is the meaning of the origin? The place where the land and sky appear to meet is called the origin. But in fact they never meet. Here children, आप generally think करो what is that the sky and land will able to meet. The sky is a very high above, isn't it? But land is a down. It is highly impossible where the sky and land cannot be meet together. Isn't children? Isn't it, children? This is about your first lesson. If you are having any doubts, you can ask in next class, children. So whatever notes, whatever hard words, choose the correct answers I have giving you. Please, you have to write it in the classwork. Be carefully, write neatly, children. Take your own time. But the classwork should be maintained neatly, and you have to submit your classwork to the Parvati teacher in the office room. Isn't it? Now you see, children. Have exercise. Shall we do the exercise? So choose the correct answer and write its letter in the brackets. What is the first one? The photographs taken from the moon show that the earth is like, children, what? The earth is like a ball, round, isn't it? First one is what, children? First one is beam, isn't it? What is the second one? Magellan and his men sailed for how many years? While taking the lesson only I told, he has sailed the 3 years, just now started, 3 years. Next one, the people in the olden days taught that the earth is what? Earth is, in the olden days, what the people are taught? The earth is like a round. Next,